signal in from the sideline, you got to say, all right, it's not going to be me. I'm going to whoop my man. Let's go. And we could call 100 runs, but they gotta purposely do what we ask them to do. But you want to run to just take pressure off the passing game, because now you play action and it holds that linebacker just a step. Next thing you know, Jimmy and LeJounte get behind those backers and we got action. And everyone knows, man, all you got to do is just give 2-3 seconds and we're good. I think everybody in the nation knows that. All you guys know that in here, ladies and gentlemen, that you give him 2 seconds, he's good.